test drive 2006 TrailBlazer. The Chevy TrailBlazer is among the best of the truck-based midsize SUVs. It's capable of hauling heavy loads and negotiating rugged off-road terrain. Yet it's also smooth, comfortable, and civilized, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, fog lamps, luggage rack, privacy glass. Come take a test drive today.